Hello everyone, this is V, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is an unboxing for Scrap Diva Designs, you guys. I got a new package in the mail and I'm so excited for this one. Here is her information right here, new card that I haven't received. Scrap Diva Inspire and Create, scrapdivadesigns.com, scrapdiva.29 on Instagram, and scrapdiva29 on YouTube. You guys, the links will be linked below. So let's go ahead and check it out. Okay, so first off, we have a pinwheel. And you guys know I love me some pinwheels, so excited for that one, as well as this bigger one. I think this one's the shabby chic one, so I'm very intrigued how I will be coming up with the shabby chic, because we all know I do not do shabby chic. However, I am going to attempt to do shabby chic, so let's go ahead and do that. So I got this one in the mail, which I do not know what this is. I'm thinking it has to be part of the next one. So the next one is the little bag that everyone has been creating, little box bag caddy, and I can't wait to play with this one as well. Here is the Viewmaster. I'm so excited to play with this one as well. Erica did an amazing job at showing us a demonstration, and this one comes with these rotary rings called wheels. So this is the star wheel, this is the ice cupcake wheel, and this is the crown wheel. Let's see what I come up with. Okay, now this is what I am excited about, you guys. This is the large box that recently came out, and I'm very excited for this one because if you've been following me, you know in all of my swaps I include a decorative box like this that has a window on it, and I use a SVG file. So I'm very excited to have this one as a craft die, so very excited about it. So it's called the mailer box, so I'm very excited for this mailer box. There's two sizes, a large and a small. I'm assuming this one's the large, and this one is the smaller version. So I'm so excited to play with these two, and then as well as the Viewmaster. Oh my god, the caddy, amazing. Pinwheels, my goodness. Everything that I love is in this package. So let me go ahead and show you guys some examples. Here it is right here, you guys. This is just a demonstration. You know how I love to embellish my things, so just so you can kind of get an idea of what this pinwheel is all about. So this is it right here. Let's move on to the next one and see how it is. So I do want to say that these run about 3 inches. The big one is 3 inches by 2.5. The smaller one is, it's the lining, a little bit over 2.5 inches by 2 inches. So you can get the idea. So there's the lining, there's the outer part, and this is the pinwheel. This is the shabby chic one. Let's go ahead and move on to this one. Okay, this one is a pinwheel. The other one is shabby chic pinwheel. So this one's the shabby, this one is not the shabby. Let's go ahead and see what this one looks like. Here's the other pinwheel. This one isn't the shabby. This time I put a brad instead of gluing it. So this is the shabby, this is the shabby, this is the regular. I love this one. Looks like a flower, doesn't it? I love it. It comes with the rotary here to make it turn. That would be really nice for a card, to use those pieces, as well as using them to actually make it rotate on a straw. That would be amazing. But such a cute piece, you guys. Let's move on. Let me measure this for you guys. So this is approximately 2.5 inches, and the lining is a little over 2.25, and this one is just about 2.5 inches. So this one seems just slightly bigger. Let me show you the difference. So this one right here is, it's kind of a big one, but it's also, you could line them. It's this one right here. So the pink one is the smaller one here, and you can see the difference. Yeah, that one's it right there. You can see the difference. You can use it with the dotted edges or not the dotted edges. So this one would be without dotted edges, and you still get a lining there with the blue and the pink. And so this one has the dotted edges, and that's what I used here. And so this one doesn't. So different ways that you can use this. So again, this is just a demo. Okay guys, this is what they look like. I made 3. I am digging into a old paper pad that I've had for already almost 3 years. So let's go ahead and assemble the Memorydex Viewmaster. I was gonna say Master View. All finished here. This is what it looks like. This is my demo here for the Viewmaster. Here it is. It is a Memorydex card, so it's roughly the size of Memorydex cards. It is, well, with the little view area, it's 4.5, but this one right here is 4 and little over 4 inches, and the height is 3.5, little under 3.5, and then here you get the little. These ones are sold separate. Wheels are sold separate. So there's a star. Here in the back, I added a pocket. So if you do get all 3, you can just send Happy Mail like that in a little pocket. So you get a crown. You also get the ice cream. I mean, I keep saying ice cream, but it's a cupcake. I want to call it ice cream. What I did was just put a little pocket here, and then you have the front pocket for the one that's going to be the focal point, and it's just a little pocket. You'll see what I create. I wonder what I'm gonna make. Who knows? So that is the Viewfinder. So far we have these 3 that we have demoed. Let's go ahead and do the rest. This is what the tote looks like. So what I forgot to do was cut the handle out. So this is the handle. I figured it out. So cut that out first before layering all the pieces. So you are able to create pockets. Everyone is making 3D totes with these. So here's a pocket right here. Here's a pocket right there. So you could add like your crafty embellishments there. And it does come with, well, first of all, this little tote came out back in February. So this is the first time that I've received it, and I'm so grateful to have gotten it in my package this month. I can't wait to play with it as well. It was initially going to be a mini album, and Erica included this with the package, and so you would cut out your holes there and use some binding or ring binders to do your mini album. I'm going to create something else, and you guys will be able to see that very soon, and possibly the 3D tote, because it really looks very nice as a 3D tote. I love it. So tote life, tote life. That's We Bear if you guys don't know. Okay, so yeah, so here it is. This is my demo, you guys. I can't wait to show you the project. So this are all the pieces right here. I definitely need to invest in some magnets, and these are it right here. You get, this is the add-on, so this is extra. So it did sell out back in February. It's been restocked. So you guys, if you're interested in this, I would recommend getting it because it will sell out again. I'm thinking, in my opinion, because it's that cute, and it's one of those projects that is really nice to have in your swaps and gift as gifts, and also use as a treat box. This is, oh my goodness, I see this in bachelorette parties. I see it in little girl parties. I see it in teenage parties as well as favors. So sweet 16s and quinceañeras and bar mitzvahs, I see them all. So yeah, definitely grab that. So the boxes are next, you guys. That is what I am so excited for, are the boxes, because I am one of those who gift boxes all the time in my swap. So let's get on into it. We have these boxes left to dig into. So I'm gonna start off with the largest to the smallest. So I'll go ahead and put these two together so we could compare all of the boxes. There are 2 in total, so we'll do that. All finished. This is my demonstration sampler. So this is the large box. It measures, so 4 1/4 by 3, a large mailer box, and let me go ahead and open it. So that's what it looks like. You guys, this is a staple. You're gonna need it. If you're swapping, you're definitely gonna need that box. That's a cute little box to have. And as well as Mother's Day's coming up, and any type of craft fair that you're having, this would be an amazing box. So this is the smaller one. You can see the size difference. So this one is 3 1/4 by 2 1/4. Let me go ahead and open this. Same thing as the large, but just a smaller version. And there is another version that's out there. Don't confuse that with these. And it's this one that came out back in, I want to say either February or March. This one is February or March. And so this is it, you guys. I will stay tuned. Stay tuned to see what I create with all of these and all of the demonstrations that I showed you here. And let's see what I come up with as such amazing projects here. And I can't wait to show you. I'll see you guys in the next video.